If you have internet issues on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, if the internet is not working properly, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and choose connections. Now this can be quite obvious for some people, maybe even most of you, but we need to make sure that the AirPlay mode is not enabled. If it's on, then of course you won't most likely have access to Wi-Fi, so make sure that it is off. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we don't even notice. If that is not the case, if AirPlay mode is disabled and you still don't have, issues with the internet, then for example you can turn off and turn on Wi-Fi again to refresh it. And this is of course if you have issues with Wi-Fi rather than mobile data. In case you have issues with Wi-Fi, you can also go to the Wi-Fi over here, and what you can do is you can forget the network. So you can tap on this setting icon on the right side right next to the Wi-Fi network, and you can forget it and then try to connect again. If the network is not listed over here, it is not available in current network or in available networks, then you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to advanced settings. And then here you should be able to find manage networks, and you can delete networks that or the network that you tried to fix. And if the issue is not with the Wi-Fi, I mean if you have issues with mobile data instead, what you can do is go to SIM Manager, make sure that your SIM card is enabled, or your eSIM of course. And we also have the mobile data option over here, so we can tap on this option in order to make sure that it is not disabled. If you have more than one SIM, then make sure that the correct SIM card or SIM in general is selected. And if none of this is actually the issue, what you can also do is we can go all the way down in settings in order to find general management. Then over here open reset, and you can use one of these two options or both of them of course. So mobile network settings and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So in this case, if you go over here, if you have more than one SIM, you can choose which SIM you want to reset. So select the SIM that needs to be fixed and then press reset settings. And in the case of Wi-Fi, we have this option. Unfortunately, it also includes Bluetooth reset and we cannot separate it. So you will have to also pair your Bluetooth devices again. And yeah, so you can reset these settings and then connect to your Wi-Fi again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.